All right, I'm excited to show you Travis picking based off the great guitar player Merle Travis, which made this style popular. And it's just going to be an alteration of the thumb and the index fingers, right? Now, I've seen a lot of different videos on Travis picking and they incorporate these different fingers, which is a variation of. But if you watch Merle Travis, check out something like the Cannonball Rag, you'll see that he actually just uses his thumb and his index finger. That being said, he actually uses a thumb pick in his index finger, which gives you this sound. Now, that's a cool technique and definitely something you can do on uke, although it's not done tons, but you can try. But for us today, we're just going to use our thumb in our index finger. All right, now I'm excited about this because this is something we did for our members. Actually, a song I wrote for our Uke Like the Pros Platinum members called Sonny's Jubilee. This is just the intro of it. But we'll be doing the Travis picking. We'll be doing some chords as well. Up the neck, some cool chord inversions. I'll go over that, but let's get the pattern down first. So just grab your A chord. Let me slide over here for you so you can see it. We're going to start with a pinch on strings 4 and 1 with our thumb and our index finger. Then our thumb's going to move down to the 3rd string. First finger again on the 1st string. Back to the 4th string. Back to the 1st string. And then our thumb's going to go all the way down to the 2nd string. And then our index finger on the 1st string. So if you do the pattern slow, it's... So that was actually 2 times, right? But 1 time it's just... Now that's the pattern. Now if you get more comfortable with it, you can do that. But just get it down slow, get this technique. Now, because this is based off, the Travis picking is based off this alternating bass line, I do have a wound low G or low G. So that does help in this style. It gives you that kind of that bass sound, which is this known for. But if you have high G, you can play it. It's just not going to sound kind of as bassy because it's really based off that alternating bass pattern. All right, so let's do it. Grab your A chord. Let's just loop this. Let's just say 4 times just to really get this pattern down. And that's 1, 2, 3, and. All right, now that's the pattern, but what I'm going to show you is this. All right, so these cool inversions moving up the neck. So it's going to be 1 measure of A. We just did that. Then I'm going to go to this. This is an A7 chord right here on the 2nd fret. And we're going to do the same pattern. You don't have to change anything with the pattern, but the new chord shape, which will be. Then I'm going to slide up to the next inversion of A7, which is here on the 5th fret. The same pattern again. And I'm going to slide it up to the next inversion of A7 up here on the 9th fret, which is right here, and I'll do the same pattern. And then we'll just come back and end on a nice A chord. All right, so if we do that slow, 3, 4, and... And then just finish off here with a nice A chord. And then what I did at the beginning, I was just doing something fancy. I was just doing the nice harp harmonics. And we go over that tons with our members. And I actually have some videos here showing that. So won't worry about it on this video. All right, so let's do that together. You and I. Here, one more time. 3, and it's... And then end it there. Now, as you get more comfortable with it, we want to speed it up. It does sound a little cooler. And as I mentioned, that is just the beginning of a song that I wrote called Sonny's Jubilee, which we've been working on. We had a challenge and everything for our members. But anyway, hope you like it. Let me know your thoughts. if you want to come join it, what I've been talking about, our platinum membership, check out that. Check out our courses, everything at ukelikethepros.com. And then this uke here is our Kala Uke Like the Pros uke. If you need this or any of your musical needs, we have an online store, and that is terrycartermusicstore.com.